TechnoIllustrator. Editing the pencil size. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Paint. Click on Start and type Paint in the search bar. Then, click on Paint. You may also just go to Start, All Programs, Paint. Step 2. Open an image. Click on File. Open. Select File to be open. Click Open. Or press Alt-F. Press O. Select File to be opened. Click Open. Step 3. Use the Pencil tool. Click on the Pencil tool. Click the Size tool. Click on the biggest size, 4 pixels. Encircle the items related to Jose Rizal. Step 4. Save an image. Click on File. Click Save As. Upon clicking Save As, the Save As window will appear. Find the folder where you want to save your file. Type the name of the file in the File Name box. Click Save. Your file is now saved.